Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
Hey, I'm here to say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
Them all can represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them all can say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is Lucian the Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
always been the shadow of me. Always a voice on me, saying I never should try to somehow free. I wish that love may take me in her arms and show me what I never know. And if I would hold someone and words that right from wrong, just fade away like yesterday. Hey. It doesn't really matter too much to me. for me. Got me a slapping on your face. All that really matters is that you're my girlfriend. Hey, baby, it's all that matters to me. Oh, baby, just let me love you tonight. It's gonna be so nice. Just let me love you tonight. It's gonna be so sweet. Remember when I used to drive you home from work? You used to do all the things to make my feelings smile. Baby, all my friends say I'm too young for you. But I can do what God's parents should do. Oh, baby, just let me love you now. It's gonna be so nice. Just let me love you now. It's gonna be so sweet. Started the very first time that I saw you with our eyes. Your lips said hello and I said hi. I knew right then you were the one. But I was in a physical attraction, and to my satisfaction, baby, you're more than just a friend. Everybody in love again. I will be sure that the ladies in love so true. I will be sure that the ladies just, hey, what it done? Listen. Should I even listen? Should I even try? Will I just keep hearing them same old lie? One y'all said it doesn't matter what you doing to yourself, 'cause the whole relationship is built on what I love you. Still you won't come sleep with me. How do you say that when you don't know the meaning of love should have ground you? You homeless enough. You should have been with me, baby. Should have been right, baby. Don't you care about me, baby? You do to me what you do to me. Watch this. Forever, I will love you. Forever, I will be true. Forever, we'll always be here right by your side. And every morning I'll be there when you open your eyes. I'll always be around, I'll be there for you, 'cause I love you. I'm never gonna let you down. I'll always be around, I'll be there for you, 'cause I love you. I never, never, never let you. Wanna take time out to dedicate this one to all my lovers. Susie down. Listen. Why does my heart go on beating? Why does the sea rush to shore? Don't say no. It's indeed you don't love me anymore. Why does the bird go on singing? Why do these eyes of mine cry? Don't. It's the end of the world. It ain't never when you say goodbye. Some story and shit. My baby don't wait me. No, no, no. Oh, some story and shit. My baby don't wait me. Oh, God bless the day I found you. And I want to stay around you. Oh, and so I beg you, just let in me. Don't take this if you must cling to someone, yeah, now and forever. Just let it be. Alright. You know, so right now, what I like to, I would like to endorse the ladies right about now. Yeah. This part of my show is dedicated to all the lovely ladies right now. These are some songs that I grew up with and they became a part of me. And I'd like to share something like this with you tonight. Or something like this. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't keep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? And darling, I've been loving you till infinity. And maybe my heart would still believe our eternity. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of our hand. We have fallen in love with you every single day. It's funny Jamaica Day. All the ladies, right about now. I've been really trying, baby. Got to hold out this feeling so long. When did you feel like I feel, baby? Let's get on. Let's get on. Let's get it on. Sugar, let's get it on. We're all sincere people with so much to give. And since we've got to be, let's live. I love you. Nothing wrong with me, nothing new. Maybe not now. If it was right to me, you'd never be wrong. If the love is true. Listen. How beautiful love can be. I'm asking you, baby, to get it on with me. I ain't gonna worry. I ain't gonna force. Don't push me, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop beating around the It's getting on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Every time Jamaica Day, bless the love again. Thanks for having me one more time. I'm honored. comes to be one of my favorites. I hope it's one of yours. I could not just have to sing it. Yeah. Goes something like this. Put on your red dress and slip on your. It's some of that. Show it smells good on you. Slide on your lipstick and let all your hair down. Cause baby, when we get through, I'm gonna show. Tonight, many more to come. And I'm so proud to be with you. I just wanna let you know you got to sing. You sure look good tonight. In your soul and body, you got to sing. You sure look good tonight. After all this time, That's Jamaica Day. All right, about now, I just wanna send up some respect for people who have come before myself, for I made it so easy for me to pursue a field, career in the field, you know. So I just wanna endorse them tonight by saying something like this. Love and hate. Oh no. Oh no. Here I come with love and my hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow all the days of my life. There'll be no one, no wish to be with no one. I come today when you'll be me on the Father's hand. My head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Oh, surely goodness and mercy shall follow all the days of my life. There'll be no one, no wish to be with no evil man. And the time comes today when you'll be me by the Father's hand. Yeah. Watch this. No! Jamaica Day, it is all about. It is driving me crazy. I'm needing my baby. I'm missing you now. I can't wait till I'm alone with you, baby, 'cause I'm missing you. You say they're not around much anymore. Yeah, I saw talking by without an appointment. And now, sometimes they just not just to call me. Well, me. All you close your eyes to see. Well, I made a vow that I would drop by you sometime. But cause I love you too much to ever stop lying. If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, say, honey, bring it to me. When you're still loving, bring it on home to me. Yeah, yeah. While she was drunk last night, I was swimming in the pool because I took her out to make her cry. Broke every rule on last night. Show confession, I can't believe it that you really did it. Don't get it, don't get it. Pick up this. Ever since that day you came into my life, I am sing songs. I'll follow you to the good and the every time, trying to deal with mankind. And that's a very hard thing to do. So they trick it to the back of my mind, just to leave this world behind. I guess I'm not the only one who'd like to see mankind live in tranquility. Yeah, and if only we agree, yeah, we can live in unity. Listen, well, say we are. Can we all just live as one? Whoa, boy, we're all like birds of one feather. It's time to live as one. That's what we tell them. This is the time to live in the energy. I'm a big dog, live family, live family. When I stand up to this, I'm one another country. We don't make me stop up. No, we don't pay us to see it, we see nothing. Wherever I roam, I always acknowledge the unseen being. The man was really keeping me alive. And right now, mass in my way of giving thanks is simply like this. Hey! Bye! Yes, I'll go where Jesus is. Someday. Yes, I'll go where Jesus is. Oh! Someday. Yes, I'll go where Jesus is. Yes, I'll be. This has been a journey, a wonderful journey. And thank you all for being there with me. And tonight, massive, my way of saying thanks to you all. Because we have been pickles, prickles, thorns, rocks. I say this. Amazing grace shall always be my song of praise. For it was grace that bought my just why Christ came to love me so. He looked beyond my faults and saw my need. And I shall beyond my faults and saw my need. I shall He looked beyond all of my faults and saw my Yeah, one, check. Jamaica, let's hear it for Sanchez! What's up, I feel like Jamaica outside here at night. This is the Bar Jamaica Day 2024. Keep in mind it goes down tomorrow. Right here, same place, featuring Manhattan alongside Mikey Spice and Antonio Nice. Get your ticket right now at ticketgateway.com or just you'll be more anything. So go to ticketgateway.com right now and get your tickets for tomorrow. Featuring Mikey Spice. Alright? Remember, please, leave a piece and not pieces. See any kids that go back. I know it's around them. I'm going to get right to the stage. Pizza!
Let me use that.
Thank you.
Big man, the fireman there now. The fireman there now.
Sanchez. Hold on. Hold it. He's not fireman. Relax.
Come on.
What about we? Me. See?
Come on, now straight, man. You don't know.
Who have the light?
Yeah, turn right.
Fireman, young pop, fire station. Every time. Yeah. One up, man. Clifton idea.
What do we?
Sanchez. Who's taking the pick? Give me a go on. Straight up. One up.
That's pretty much the last one, guys. Sanchez, I'm a brother. I'm a brother. Why your mother love me now? You say you have a brother. Pick it. Beat up Blake, alright? Guy to the system. Okay, guys. Sanchez. Hold on.